Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I try to do the display comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus Realme X7 Max device. But during this time of demonstration, I'll be using the color boost which is present in the Oneplus Nord 2. Yes, this is my first time using this kind of option and doing a video. So let's see whether using any kind of color boost will it impact any kind of colors in the Oneplus Nord 2 or not. That's what I'm going to exactly compare with the Realme X7 Max device. So previously I did do the display comparison, but I did not use this kind of option which is called the color boost. If you go to the display settings in the Oneplus Nord 2, you can actually find this option which is called, as you can see. So right now if you try to enable, little bit kind of colors and brightness will be enhanced slightly, as you can see here clearly, and this will definitely increase in the draining of the battery as well, so that you need to keep in mind. But let's see, for the demonstration purpose only, if you try to enable and if I try to play the video side by side, how much difference you can actually notice. So that is what I'm going to exactly concentrate in this video. In case if you are having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to tell me which display you felt the best. That is what I'm trying to look after the comments, which felt Fluid AMOLED panel versus Super AMOLED panel in the Realme X7 Max. That's a comparison between both phones. Both are AMOLED. Let's see the difference. So first I'm trying to compare the both phones displays side by side, so when there is no studio light environment effect, so you will able to understand how is the condition of the both phones in terms of the display. Now it's very hard to differentiate so which phone is what phone, because both phones are having the punch hole, so don't worry about that. I'll let you give you the one quick solution. So the solution is that the Realme X7 Max has got this kind of small video toolbox, as you can see, so which is present only in the Realme X7 Max device. So in the Oneplus Nord 2, you don't get that kind of option. That's the one thing you can able to easily separate the both phones. So right now you can see the colors between these trees, how they look slightly more brighter in the Oneplus Nord 2. If you try to enable that color boost and if you try to compare side by side, this is how the displays looks, as you can see here right now. You have to go back and disable the color boost and let's see what happens. Now can you see the difference now at this point? Let me know to stop at this moment exactly. Let me to go back, and I'm trying to keep exactly at the same time frame, 1 minute and 2 seconds. As you can see, 1 minute 2 seconds. I did pause the video exactly, as you can see friends, with full brightness right now, with full brightness. Let me to go back, and I'm trying to disable and I'm trying to check it whether it's working or not. So let me know in the comment section below, did you feel any kind of difference in terms of the display or not when I try to change that kind of option. As you can see the displays. Now let me to start playing the video using the color boost. So this is with the full brightness. So full brightness without any kind of studio lighting effect at all. So these are the both phones looks in terms of the viewing angles overall. With the full brightness I'm trying to use, and let me to decrease the brightness to 10% maybe. As you can see, 10% in both phones. So both phones are looking kind of really good. So in terms of the displays, you should not be confused at all friends between both phones. So both phones will be kind of close to each other only in terms of the displays. Nothing much difference you can actually expect, not much. So apart from the touch sampling rate and the refresh rate, so remaining everything should be kind of close to each other in both phones. Now let me try to turn on the studio light and let's see what happens if I try to turn on. And full brightness. Right now, as you can see friends, these are the colors looks between both phones. So these are Realme X7 Max and this is the Oneplus Nord 2 device. You can see clearly full brightness I'm trying to increase. So full brightness. So Realme X7 Max and the Oneplus Nord 2 device using the video color boost. I cannot see much kind of difference using the color boost, to be frank, at this moment. Not much in terms of the enhancement of the colors, nothing at all. So both are with the full brightness only, and let me know in the comment section below whether this feature is kind of helpful for you or not. That's what I'm going to exactly see. So in my experience, I did not see much kind of difference, so just maybe a little bit kind of brightness in some kind of areas. That's a little bit, just a little bit, but not much major. Unless you look close to each other only, then you will be able to feel the difference between the what I'm trying to mention exactly. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison using the color boost from the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Realme X7 Max device. So in terms of the display quality, so there's nothing much enhancement at this moment I can actually observe between both phones in terms of the display quality. Nothing much enhancement, as you can see friends. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. I'll be straight up for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.